In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Trust Wallet to CoinTracker. Now, the first thing you want to do here inside your dashboard on CoinTracker, you want to go to the left and you want to click on Wallets. And from here, you want to click on Add Wallet either over here or in the top right in case you have anything imported already. From here, search for Trust. So type in Trust like that and then click on the Trust Wallet connection over here. And from here, you first have to select your blockchain. So to do this, you want to first open up your Trust Wallet. And then from here, you basically want to select the blockchain you would like to import and add inside CoinTracker. So for example, if I go to search over here, let's say we're just going to use the Ethereum one over here, so the Ethereum chain. I'm going to click on Ethereum over here, and then I'm going to go to receive at the bottom because we need the Trust Wallet address. It's going to be the receiving address as it says over here. I'm going to click on receive, and then I'm going to basically copy this address. After that, I'm going to select the blockchain. I'm going to select Ethereum. I'm going to paste in our wallet address over here, so the Ethereum domain or of course address, and then I'm just going to click on add trust. And what's going to happen is it's going to start loading, and whenever that stops loading, it's basically going to import all your transactions into CoinTracker. Now, depending on how many you have, it could take like a few seconds up to a few minutes, but whenever that's done, you'll be able to see them over here on the left hand side inside transactions. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.